Can you find a unit along this stretch? I want to buy a unit for my daughter near me. Can you look for one?
If you are someone who have been searching for two landed properties along the same street, you will understand how rare these two units are. And I'm not even talking about along the same stretch, I'm talking about a pair of terraces that is side by side. This is close to impossible to find in Singapore these days. What I have today is something perfect for families who are looking to stay near one another while maintaining some form of privacy and personal space. Without further ado, let's check out the two units.
Today, we'll be showcasing two mirror image unit which is almost similar in size, sitting on a rectangular land plot of 2,700 square feet, built up about 2,400 square feet. If you have plans to rebuild, you'll be glad to know that you can fully maximize the potential of this house into a 3.5-story home to custom fit into your family's needs and wants.
This is a renovated inter-terrace which comprises of 4 bedrooms, a helper room and 4 bathrooms in total.
The first level offers a seamless continuous flow of space with a combined living and work area, making it ideal for people of all ages.
The spacious granny room offers versatility in providing extra comfort for families with elderly or even providing space for guests.
As we move towards the back, it features a helper room with 2 toilets side by side. At the heart of the home is a generously sized kitchen which combines both space and practicality, making it excellent for both cooking and hosting.
The expansive backyard also offers endless possibilities for a stunning landscape, recreation, and for your pets to roam around freely.
As you move up to level 2, you will find a master ensuite together with 2 generously sized bedrooms and a common bath for added convenience. Before we head to the second unit, let's run through the location.
This pair of terraces is located along Kovan Road, which is extremely convenient. Look at where I am right now. All you have to do is to walk along this shelter for about 2 minutes and you'll reach the exit of Kovan MRT. Having a pair of terraces is already fantastic, but the walking distance to the MRT is the cherry on top of the cake. Let's move on to connectivity. CTE and KPE can be easily accessible via Hougang Avenue 2 and Tampines Road respectively. But since you're so near the MRT, you might not want to drive anymore. And being near to Kovan MRT also means that you are within close proximity to popular eateries along Upper Serangoon Road, Heartland Mall and the food market. We have covered food, we have covered transport, and for families with children, you'll be glad to know that there are plenty of schools nearby, for instance, Singhua Primary, Paya Lebar Methodist Girls' School and many more. Alright, enough of the amenities, let's head to the second unit.
Welcome to the second unit. The house is currently vacant and in its original conditions, consisting of 4 bedrooms and 5 bathrooms. Given its original stage and depth of 41 meters, this property can be viewed as a blank canvas, allowing you to reconfigure the interior space and unleash your creativity. Before entering the house, the main gates and the opposite residential developments are 10 meters apart. The generous setbacks provides additional privacy for the homeowner. As you step into the car porch, you will notice that there is ample space with more than 8 meters of allowance, allowing you to fit 2 hatchback cars comfortably. Alternatively, buyers have the option to extend the living hall by adhering to a 7.5 meter setback from the road reserve line. This unit has a squarish living hall without a split levels. This design provides easy movements and is elderly friendly, minimizing the risk of trips and fall. To enhance the brightness of the living area, buyers can consider replacing the front windows with sliding door to allow more natural sunlight to enter. Moving further inside, to my left is the granny room, to my right is the dining area. The granny room can be further expanded if necessary. As you walk into the open concept kitchen, there are 3 bathrooms and a service yard for all your laundry needs. Beyond the surface yard is a spacious backyard that could be transformed into a tropical fruit gardens or a space for growing herbs and spice, perfect for those with green fingers. If you enjoy swimming, the depth of the land also allows for possibility of adding a sizable swimming pool. As you ascend to the second floor, you are welcomed by a family area and a common bathrooms. From here, you can access the common bedroom at the front and the master bedroom at the back. One of the common rooms features an enclosed balcony. If you are open to reconstruction and adding floor area on the second level, you might consider reconfiguring the layout by moving the master bedroom to the front, with the common rooms situated at the back.
Alright, we have come to the end of this presentation of this rare pair of terrace house along Kovan Road. We have open house every weekend, so if you are keen, feel free to reach out to any one of us for more details. Once again, I'm William.
I'm Phoenix.
I'm Travis.
And we hope to see you soon.